Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. So today's video, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys some of the updates of what's going on in the garden. Now, if you watched my video of me harvesting my cauliflower, I still have my plants down. I do want to see if they're going to actually try to go ahead and sprout some new sprouts. I've seen it happen before, but I just want to see if my plant's going to do it. So right here is my little pot of mint that has starting to feel out, which you see. I went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit, trying to get everything back to where I like it. So I've been trying to nurture things to get back to where their health should be. With the weather and the temperature fluctuating so much, it's kind of hard to do so, but I'm going to still try. But down here is my blue salvias, and they're doing really good. And if you see this little patch right here, this is a verbena right here. These are verbenas. And look at my little frog. He's waving at you guys, as you see. But the blue salvias are doing really good. And as well, like I said, I kept all of my cauliflower. I'm just hoping to see if I get some new shoots or so. I might not, but you see I'm cleaning, so it's a little bit of work going on the property. And as well, down here is my parsley. You see it right here. This is my big old little patch of parsley, which is doing really well, which you see. And down here I have some garlic right here. This is a little garlic patch that I went ahead and just left it there. But that's that. And then right down here is my Swiss chard. So this is my rainbow chard, and if you look really close, it is stressed out. Let me see if I can draw you guys in. It looks good, but it is stressed, and you see some of the cold damage here. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up after this last cold. I'm just gonna let this stay and try to protect the heart of the plant. So I'm hoping that all these will pan out after this Arctic freeze. So, but all in all, everything over on this side here, it looks like it is doing pretty well. Okay, so I went ahead and took all my tomato cages off, and I'm gonna go ahead and strip all the fabric off and put this away, since I do not have any caterpillar issues anymore. So that's what I'm going to do. And like I said, I've been cleaning up my plants since I was gone so long, and my health was not that great, so I wasn't able to tend to things like I should, but I'm back, so I'm taking care of business. So down here is my Brussels sprouts. So once again, if you look really close, this is from cold damage. Okay, now the heart of the plant is still good, and it should bounce back. Now it might take a longer for it to produce, but it should be able to bounce back. But this right here, you guys, is my Brussels sprouts. Okay, over here is my leek patch. Yes, y'all look at my leeks. I love them. So here is my leek patch. These are all my leeks. I will be coming out here as well and doing the same thing. I'll be coming out here and clean up these plants. Now do let me know in the description box on if you want to see me do this or not, because what I do is I go through here and I clean up anything that I think would not be worth keeping, and why I will go ahead and remove them. Okay, so down here is all of my beautiful leeks. Yeah, see them all here. And then over here is my kale. So I have my scarlet kale, and the scarlet kale looks great. Look at that. So these are my beautiful scarlet kale. This is the curly leaf kale, both of them. This is the dwarf variety. Now you can purchase these on my seed shop as well, the dwarf variety. Okay, Aren't they pretty? They're doing really good, okay? And some of my lettuce. Now I did have to go ahead and redo my lettuce because the cold did get to them and they did not make it through. So this is a new set of lettuce from the previous video. So hopefully these lettuce will hold out since they were able to deal with some of the cold before the other ones were. So right down here is my cabbages. So I have right here 2 Savoy cabbage, and you can kind of tell by the wrinkle of the leaves. These are the Savoy. I have some elephant garlic throughout the bed here and there. And right here is my golden acre cabbage right here. Okay. Even this little one right here, this one right here. Look at the cold, what the cold done to the plant. Okay. Hopefully it's not stunted. Hopefully it can bounce back, but we're gonna see. But this is another Savoy cabbage. Okay. So right over here is my beautiful Purple Lady bok choys, and in between them is my elephant garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and clean up these as well because I'm seeing a little bit of what they call it rust. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these leaves, some of these leaves, to prevent any more damage and do some weed control that I see at the bottom. And I will be actually going ahead and harvest some of these. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this one right here. This one right here. Ain't that pretty? See her there? She is actually trying to bolt. So I'm going ahead and took that one up, and I'll just go ahead and toss this, you guys, in a salad. But isn't this beautiful? This is my Purple Lady bok choy. So here is pretty much the garden, the main garden. Some of the updates on the main garden. Now I will be showing you some more of the plants and how everything else is going, and what I'm going to go ahead and start planting. And as well, I am going to go ahead and redo my my little flowers inside my candle holder. I think I'm going to put some different type of succulents in here, and I'm going to go back to the Dollar Tree and purchase maybe 2 or 3 packs of the little clay pots that fits inside here, because I think it's just a great look to have another fresh pot, because I went ahead and put this one terracotta and I'm loving it without the paint. So I'm going to go ahead and get the little small terracottas without the paint. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And remember, you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now.